tire installation, Wolf King GT Pro. Zip ties, holding both sides of the tire together, touching all the way. That's a requirement. Soapy water. I'm sweet on the nigga, go get you. That's my bestie, my best friend, go best friend. Nigga living TTG and everything is still on fleek. Baby rolling with me, she gon' smile cause she on fleek. $100,000 I might pay my shit on fleek. Do you want to put this tire below?
No.
Oh, you got it.
It's on there. Ta-da.
What did you just notice right now when you said, oh, what was it?
I wasn't pushing down on this part to keep this.
Oh, to keep it over?
Yeah, to keep it over.
Yeah.
So that is
Got it. So once you noticed that, you adjusted and then it went right on. Okay. And that's basically putting that part of the tire in the middle, right? And it's keeping it in the middle.
Yeah, as well as putting pressure on this downwards for the tire.
Downward pressure.
So be able to lift this part will lift far enough to go over the ground. If that makes sense.
Yeah, okay. That makes sense. I just kept it to myself. I don't wanna know if you're playing me. Keep it on the low. Cause my heart can't take it anymore. And if you're creeping, please don't let it show. Oh baby, I don't wanna know. Think about it when I hold you. When looking in your eyes, I can't believe. I don't need to know the truth. Baby, keep it to yourself. I don't wanna know if you're playing me. Keep it on the low. Cause my heart can't take it anymore. And if you're creeping, please don't let it show. Oh baby, I don't wanna know that you better than me. Watching for the sleep that you used to do to me.
And keep in mind, I'm using the wrench to lift the zip tie to be able to get up under it with ease without puncturing the tire.
Oh, very good detail. Okay, yeah, because you don't want to cut the tire. It can cut very easily.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm not liable for anyone that cut their tire.
Okay. Yeah, do this at your 100% at your own risk. This is for informational and entertainment purposes only.
I'm sick and tired of you telling me it's coincidental. My therapist keep on saying you're fucking with my mental. Your love will never be mine. You share it like a rental. Damn. I don't wanna know if you're playing me. Keep it.
See, it already popped on the bead.
Wow. It won't let go of that zip tie. It just wants to be on there.
It's already on there.
That's amazing. So it's going to pump up easy then.
Yeah.
That's really awesome. That soapy water might have helped a little bit too, right?
Yeah.
You just let it slide over.
Let me grab my compressor.
And what kind of pump is this?
This is a Shoemaker. It's a portable jump starter, battery station, light, and a fucking air compressor.
Awesome.
I forgot about the light thing. So,
Wow, that's really helpful. That's good.
anyways.
You probably looked at many of them before you got that one, right?
Oh yeah, I got a couple of different ones to see which one. Like, look, it has the where you can plug shit up. Like, plug it up, you can jump start your car.
That's great.
I've had this one for like 6 months.
Okay.
Air pressure, set it to. Since it's already on the bead, we're just gonna set it at a steady 55 because it's registered for 50.
If the bead's not sealed, not on yet, do you set it higher?
Yeah, I set it to like 70 or 80 just to get the airflow to where it stays constant.
Does it sometimes pop on? Like, you hear it sometimes?
Yeah,
It pops? Okay.
sometimes. Let's see, it's already pumping.
Wow. That's amazing. That's amazing. It was already on. I mean, you got it on right away.
Usually I'll use Vaseline instead of soapy water.
Oh, okay.
Vaseline is just like with damage to any like exposed wires.
Okay.
But that's one because I've had mine for so long and I knew that like there was some like open connections and stuff.
Okay.
But other than that, 50.
What were you saying about the Vaseline? You like to use it because of what?
I like to use it because it's if you've had yours for a while and it's been through some like hell and back like mine.
Yeah.
It's got some wear and tear, so there might be some like where the wire is and stuff, or there might be some exposed wires somewhere.
Oh, okay.
So just in case, I never really use soapy water. I know, this one's brand new and stuff. It's like
Yeah.
it shouldn't have that problem.
So soapy water can short the wires out? Is that the idea?
Yeah.
And Vaseline won't?
Yep.
Okay. I didn't think of that.
However, Vaseline, once you put some on there, just know everything is gonna be oily.
Yeah, and it's going to stay that
For
way. Oh.
everything, and you don't even know how.
Okay.
I put like a little smudge like on the tire one time. When I changed my mother-in-law's scooter tire. She has the Fido or the Fido
Yeah.
from Bora Motors as well,
Oh, okay.
and she loves it. I had to change the tire on it to get the tube out.
Yeah.
And so I was putting it back on. Use a little bit of Vaseline. So I don't know how in the hell it ended up from where the tire was to where the handles were to where the up under the seat to the
Wow.
where the batteries are like charging. I'm like, what the hell?
It like teleported.
Inside where the fucking pizza bag is, it's like how?
It just got everywhere.
I've been in the hills,
That's good to
fucking
know.
superstars, feeling like a pop star. Drinking and